All right, what is going on, everyone? Happy Monday. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. My name is Odu. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. And what we do here is every Monday through Friday, we get together, we live stream right here on YouTube, and we try to build a company that's going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. And we are building Piixel, which is our Webflow development and like we build Webflow websites, so design and development agency, studio, whatever you want to call it. And we are also building we have built our very first product, which is Piixel Pieces, which is a Webflow component and template library. And of course, if you're with us last week on Friday, we published a whole bunch of new changes and updates where we have increased the number of components from like 150 to a little over 400. So like 250 plus new components. So super happy about that. And now I do feel as if Piixel Pieces is ready for us to go ahead and market to people and get people on board and get people using the product and getting that very important feedback so we can make sure we have good product market fit. Anyways, so we're going to be focusing, as I said on Friday, a lot on marketing. So that's what we're going to do. And I figured today what would be really kind of cool would just be to start with reaching out to the existing people that we do have on our newsletter list. And our newsletter list is based on people that have signed up for the Forever Free plan so far, and also people in the early adopters, the thing that we did, I think, way back even before Christmas time, a little bit of a paid campaign to try to get people just like to express interest or something like that, to sign up and express their interest in having something like Piixel Pieces. Anyway, so we have that newsletter list. We're going to make an email and we're going to reach out to them. So I figured that's what we do today. But first, what I thought I would do is, because after we launched this thing on Friday, I kind of took the weekend just away from Piixel Pieces for a couple days. And actually, I lied. I did some work on Saturday, adding a couple extra components that were kind of missing. But I think it would be good to kind of just have a look at the free components that we have now, just to make sure everything's on the up and up and see if we can see any issues or what have you. And actually, I do see something right now. So I just went in here and accessed the free components. So there's 30 free components. I feel like maybe we should have more. Maybe we should bring it to 40. But anyways, I'm just looking at the free components. So we have the navigation basic, custom navigation here, navigation 4, which is fine. Even this minimal is a free component. We got 4 navigation components. So that's a lot of free navigation components, but I guess that's okay for now. So we have a couple different hero sections. It's fine. A couple footer sections, blog post, call to actions, an accordion, pricing 1, pricing 5, a testimonial, and then a review, which is cool. Team pages. Yeah, I might want to have a look to see which ones we should maybe change. But one thing I'm noticing is this banner 1 and banner 2 are the same, which is really, really strange. So I think the image is the same. So I'm just going to go over to our components here. I'm just going to look at banner. Banner 1 and banner 2 seem to have the same images. This is banner 2, yes. We need to replace this. And if we go here, I think our images they're going to be in Piixel. They're going to be in Piixel Pieces, component screenshots, and banner 1 right there. And we're going to just publish that. And then give that a refresh. And refresh, actually, you have to reset the filter as well. And that didn't change. Maybe there's a problem with the actual image. Hang on, let me take a quick look. Piixel. Right, that's that banner 1. Strange. I did update this, didn't I? To banner 1 here. Huh, why does it still have, maybe do, oh, I gotta refresh this again. Banners, okay, now it seems to be okay. Strange, only free components. Maybe it just didn't refresh, okay. So let's go back, let's look at only free components. So banner 1 and banner 2, I don't think we need to have those ones. That's too many banners. So banner 2, that one's not free. Different layout sections. Instead of 18, what can we have? Can I actually open this in a new tab? Let's get like maybe like a 3-column layout. Like layout 27 maybe. Oh, ascend. Oh, the center maybe left line. Layout number 26. All right. Oh yeah, save changes. So layout 26. That's a free one. And layout 18, we'll make it unfree. Where are we? Here we go. Layout 18. And not free. Okay. Couple of hero sections. I guess 30 free ones is okay for now. I wonder, maybe we should have some more UI components maybe should be free. So right now we have the toggle and then the progress bar. So let me refresh this here. Oh, I haven't published. We have some changes. Let's publish this. An issue. What's an issue? Non-descriptive link. All right. Yeah. We got to fix all those. We won't worry about that right now. Okay. Now the authentication. Maybe like a breadcrumb. That would be a good free component. Let's go back to our components again. Let's grow breadcrumb. Make that one free. I think a tag would be good to be free as well. Yeah. What else could we do? We have a progress bar. More progress bars. Maybe we could do another hero section. Like a simple hero section. Like number 42. Hero 42. Also make that one free. And sorry, we'll get this and then we'll get on to our email here. We could do I think we need a couple more. So we'll try blog 15. Premium. And when we need one more. I think we'll go into our application again. And I think our circular, well, no, we'll do a user portal. And we'll do a simple one. Like user portal 7. I like that. Okay, I'll go user portal 7. It's freemium. Okay. So the reason I just want to update this is just so that way when we say, when we give our users an email, we'll say we updated the number of free components as well as, added a whole bunch of new components. So it's just another thing that we can talk to our customers about when we email them. Okay. So let's refresh that. Oh, let's go back to all here actually. And only free. It's taking a minute to load up all these components here. It's only 34, so we need one more. Oh, right, because I deleted a banner. We have a toggle, but we don't have a checkbox. So maybe we should make a checkbox. Toggle, lots of toggles. Checkbox 1. Checkbox 1 is before checkbox 2. Gotta see what's going on there. Right, they have the wrong numbers. Checkbox 1. And make that freemium. And save, publish. We should actually just publish this one as well. All right. So if we give this a hard refresh. Should have 35 now, but the checkbox is not showing up. Weird. Why is that not? I mean, I did make that change. Why is it not showing? It has updated here. Only free components. Yeah, checkbox isn't here. I'm pretty sure I switched it. Let's see. Let's have a quick look just to make sure I put it freemium. Could have sworn that I did. Checkbox 1 is freemium. Yes. Okay, weird. Okay, while that's loading, let's open up a Word document here. Okay, and let's try this again. Okay, so it's taking a little bit to load. And all right, so an email to our current customers, right? Email to current customers. Let's get a good font. Okay. Actually, instead of making the font bigger, I should just zoom in like this. Oh, okay. 35 free components. Right, perfect. There's one thing we do need to update, which I just totally forgot, is on our pricing page, access to 35 components. There we go. Okay. All right, so we're gonna send a campaign. Let's go to MailChimp here, and oh crap, it's been logged out for too long. 95031. Okay, so this is our campaign list here. Well, actually, this is our campaigns. So we're gonna create a new campaign. What do we call this? So let's just say huge component update. So yeah, so we're gonna create that email. Okay, that is odd. What the hell? What just happened there? Okay, let's create a huge component update, create email. Okay, there we go. All right. Who are we sending this to? We're going to send it to our Piixel audience. We're going to send it to all of the subscribers. I think that makes the most sense. And personalize. Right, just with the first name. We'll save that. Okay, so before we actually go any further on this, let's just actually customize the email. Okay, so what is the purpose? So I think the one purpose is to let people know of the new updates to Piixel Pieces. And those updates are filter and the quantity. And then obviously, well, I guess the second thing is we'd love to get feedback. All right. So let's just say, let's see what we can think of. So we have say, hey, you know, like user, right? So we'll just say, hey, friend. Today I'm excited to announce a couple major updates to our WEBFLOW component library. First, we've added over 250 new components to our library, which now has just over 400 unique components. to help you build your next website, faster. Second, you now have the ability to filter your components. By type. We can say by various parameters. Including type, elements, text, and media alignment. And text maybe / media alignment. I don't know, something like that. Because if you look here, that's what we have here, the ability to filter through all these different things. Right. First, we've added over to the ability to filter components by various parameters, including type, elements, and text media. Yeah, we don't have to say too much here, right? We don't want to drag on this email. Just like, hey, here's the announcements. So what could we say? How could we end this? Somewhere along the lines of, I can't wait to see what kinds of websites. I can't wait to see the websites that you'll end up building using these components. I don't know if that's a little cheesy or not. I'm not sure. Can't wait to see the websites that you'll end up building using these components. I don't know how to end that. So I wonder if we could have a call to action saying, I'd love to hear what you think about our latest updates. Please reply to this email and let me know. And let me know what you think. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Or maybe we could ask a question. Do you think these updates are going to be useful? I don't know. That's kind of weird. I'm just going to take a quick look at my email, like my email account, where I get, obviously I get emails, but where I get some kind of, like with it, I use Hey for my email, as my email client, and they have this thing called the feed where all your kind of social emails kind of go that are, given by companies and kind of like almost like newsletter feeds. So I'm just trying to see if I can have a look and see how people are kind of writing theirs. What kind of tone? Yeah, I don't even have that much. I got like a bunch of financial kind of stuff that comes in. See more. Yeah, can't see too much here that I would want to emulate. Here's one from the future. Yeah, I guess we can just really just try to make it conversational and just react. Just kind of get to the point. And maybe what we can do is have it like this. Instead of saying first, we can just say number 1. And then number 2. You now have the ability to filter. Yeah. And then we could, happy building, founder, Piixel Pieces, and then PS. I'd love to hear what you think about these updates. So reply to this email. Or maybe I could say, please reply to this email and let me know what you think about these updates. Oh. And I could just say, I'd love to hear from you. To hear how I can make Piixel Pieces perfect for you. Something like that. Because that's the idea. You gotta let me know what you want. And please don't hesitate to let me know what you want, so then I can build it for you. All right. Do you want to say something like, "Oh, we've worked super hard to get these to you, so can't wait"? Oh, I don't know. All right. You can even say something like, "Here's what we have in store for you when you next log back into Piixel Pieces." And just maybe say, "I can't wait to see the websites that you'll end up building." End up making. Because I say happy building here. I don't want to use the same words twice. Yeah. I can't wait to see the websites that you'll end up making using these components. Happy building. Okay. So does this fix our purpose? So obviously it lets people know what we have. I wonder if we could say here about free. I could say if you're on the free plan, you now have access to 35 components. Yeah, no, I don't want to put that in there. It sounds a little bit cheesy. Is there anything else that I can say that we've added or made improvements? I'm trying to think. Those were the two big things, I think. I mean, we did a lot of stuff in terms of making things look more consistent, but that's back-end stuff that doesn't really impact the user per se. It's like, hey, we now have new images for the components. Like, they don't care. I mean, they care in the sense that it looks a whole lot cleaner and more coherent, but that's not like a feature. Okay, so it's not so bad. Let's copy this and let's take this to, where are we taking this? Back to here. Okay. So subject, Well, who's it from? Well, it's from me, yeah. I guess just from Piixel Pieces, maybe? Subject. A great subject line gives your audience a reason to open up your email. New features. Or we could say over 250 new WEBFLOW components available. Preview text. Okay. So say we've just updated our component library to include 250 plus new WEBFLOW components. Ready for you to use in your next project. That sounds okay. Let's save that. Send time. Like, when's a good time for emails? I don't know. I don't know if the morning would be better or just whenever. I don't know. I think we should just do whenever. But let's go to just designing first. And start from scratch. Well, we do have a save template, right? And we do have this bare bones one, but we also have this pixel minimal one. I think let's try this bare bones and let's kind of see what it looks like. So hello, first name, but it needs a fallback, right? Anyways, hang on. Before we get to that, let's just post this text. Okay, so let's go back and let's paste it as plain text. Okay. Now I can't scroll up. What the hell is going on? This is weird. I can't scroll up to get a better view of this block. What is going on? Do you know what I mean? Like, I can't I can't go up. What is going on? Weird. Weird. Okay, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Maybe I gotta go back. Save and exit. Save and exit. Or is that, or did I just update the template? No, I didn't update the template. Yeah, okay. Let's see if I can edit this now. Okay, now, okay. Weird. Weird, weird, weird. Okay, so let's left align this. So, and let's get proper. There we go. To right. And just enter here, enter right. All right. Okay, today I'm excited to announce a couple major updates to our WEBFLOW component library. Or should we just say to Piixel Pieces? Next time you log back into, maybe here we should just put a link. And that'll be to here. right? And if we just, or should we go to login? Maybe we'll just go to the login page. Right here, and paste, save. Okay, we've added 250 new components to our library, which now has just over 400 unique components to help you build your next website faster. You now have the ability to filter components by various parameters, including type, component type, elements, number of columns, and text media alignment. I can't wait to see the websites that you'll end up making using these. It's a little clunky here. So I can't wait to see what creative websites you'll end up making. I'll just say with these components. I can't wait to see the creative websites. I like to see the creative websites you'll end up making with these components. Happy building. Happy building, and then signed. Me. Wonder if that space should be there. I feel like it shouldn't. So maybe just happy building with an exclamation mark. And then a PS. And then maybe we'll just bold that there. Okay. That's not bad. Can I send a test? Let's send a test. Send it to me. Yeah, that's good. I'm just going to, 1 second here, open my email. Oh, okay. All right, test. Okay, so here's what the test email looks like. That's not too bad. Here's it's just almost like a plain text email, basically. I like it. And click OK. So what do you think, guys? Is this a decent email to just, again, let everybody know that has signed up before in the past, that we're still alive, that we're still kicking? That'd be interesting to see what, hopefully I get feedback. I mean, obviously that'd be fantastic. That's what I'm looking for. But if I don't, that's okay. As long as people still know that I'm still alive and that Piixel Pieces is still growing. So that's a couple major updates. To our WEBFLOW component library. Maybe I'll be more specific here to announce 2 major updates. Should I bold these? I'm excited to announce 2 major updates. Yeah. Maybe bold it because it's exciting. We're super pumped. Here's what we have in store. Maybe delete that. Okay, can I see what the code looks like? Right, code view. Okay, there's an empty paragraph here. That's fine. An empty paragraph here. Here's what the code looks like. when you log back into Piixel, and then gets the list. It's got a paragraph inside the list. That's interesting. Why is everything text aligned left? I guess because everything was aligned center. Strangely. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. Okay. Don't have any errors, so I think we're good to go. So let's go save and exit. And I think we'll have the chance to have one last review. You can see it right here off to the side. You now have the ability to filter components by various parameters, including component type, elements, number of columns, and text/media alignment. I can't wait to see the creative websites you'll end up making with these components. Happy building. Please reply to this email and let me know what you think about these updates. I'd love to hear how I can make Piixel Pieces perfect for you. That's pretty good. Sweet, short, sweet, to the point. Add a send time. I guess we just send it now. I don't know what the best time is. It's going to go to 63 people on the list. That's fine. And oh, excuse me. And I guess we'll send this off. I'm always nervous with MailChimp. I think I'm nervous because I had this position once where I was working for a company that had, I don't know how many people were on the MailChimp newsletter list. I don't know, 200,000, something like maybe less. I don't know. It was a lot anyways. And I hit send and there was an issue with the tags to see like who was going to be, like whose name was going to be on here. Basically it's long story short, but it kind of messed up. So instead of saying hello, like what the actual name was, it was just like blank. So there was actual no first name and there was no fallback. So that was kind of a disaster. And then there's no way to actually go back and retrieve the emails. I just want to try one last thing with this email. Edit subject, edit the design. Like I feel like you should be able to have something with a fallback, right? Like if there is no first name. MailChimp fallback if no first name. Merge tags. How to use merge tags. Right, so here we go. If you don't see a default value and the subscribed contact doesn't have the data in their profile, they'll see a blank space where the contact specific content was supposed to appear. So we don't want that. We want to have, if there's no merge tag, don't show anything or fall back to something. And I think ConvertKit, I think they do that automatically. Or there's a nice way of it doing like and or kind of thing. But it looks like it doesn't have that here. MailChimp doesn't have it. Audience information. Conditional merge. Yeah, that's what we want. Pulls the E parameter from the hosted URLs. Okay, I don't want that. Oh. Yeah, I don't see anything here that could give me that functionality. If anybody knows if MailChimp allows you to do that, let me know. I thought you could in MailChimp, but I guess not. Doesn't look like it, eh? Set default conditional merge tags. Hey. Oh, you can come in a little bit. You're fine. open up this jar. Oh my goodness, my hands are a little... They're all from rock climbing today. All right, let's see. There we go. You're welcome. All right. Oh, now it smells like salsa in here. Okay, sorry. Open up the salsa can. What were we thinking? Yeah, merge tags. Merge tags. Right. No, this was not helpful. Or Reddit. How do I add a fallback merge tag? Although I don't know if Reddit would be the best place for this. Oh, in the audience field setting, you can set a default value. Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, so let's see if I can find that. So I'm just going to hide this for just a second because I don't want to save and exit. I don't want to flash any sensitive, emails. So I'm going to go to my list, I think. Once I get there, I'll share my screen again. Audience dashboard. I think. Okay, select the audience. And yeah, there's a couple of people here that don't have a first name. So what does it say? Initial use merge tags. I'm just looking at this from this link. There's these conditionals, so if. So I think you could say like if the first name is set, basically. Displaying content when data is missing. So this would be hello, first name, else, just friend. But it was saying something though that you can also, sorry, I'm going to jump back into MailChimp for a second. Where, filter by tags. Manage audience. So I'm just looking at my audience. I'm seeing if there's a place where I can add the default merge, like a default merge data. I think I'm in the wrong spot. MailChimp default first name field. Yeah. Set a default merge value. Audience dashboard. I don't know if this is what we want. Okay, so here's a MailChimp page, and this is set a default merge value for an audience. And like valued customer. I guess if the first name is valid, yeah. I wonder. So if we set this to friend, then it'll be friend. If we don't have anything, right? Yeah. But would it be better to do that, or would it be better to do this? I feel like it might be better to do this because this will give us more flexibility to change the name in different emails depending on, just depending on we might want to do. So let's try doing something like this instead. So 1 second. So let's go back. I gotta get out of here. Go back to campaigns. Okay, this is fine. We're just right here. Okay, so we're gonna go edit our design. And let's just paste what we got here. Yeah, I think that works just like this, right? So hello, first name, comma, else, friend, comma, end if. Yeah, that works. Let's look at the code. Hello. I need a space. Okay, I got a space there, so that's fine. Else. And yeah, the space is still there. Else, friend. Yeah. That looks good. What if I send this test again? What's it gonna look like? Let's have a quick look. Test. Oh, it just says test first name. It doesn't actually come through. It's still saying hello, test first name. Okay, that's fine. And hit OK. Save and exit. All right. Send. Are we good to send? I think we are. 263 people from Piixel Pieces. Subject line, over 250 new Webflow components available. Yeah, send time is now. And the content is just this. P.S. Please reply to this email and let me know what you think about these updates. I'd love to hear how I can make Piixel Pieces perfect for you. Okay. So let's send it. Yeah, let's send now. Let's get our high five up at the queue. View email in browser. That is the email. Super simple. But done. And I guess the question is to watch out for our open rate and seeing if anyone opens it. Anyways, we're not going to just stand aside and watch. That would be boring. Okay, so marketing. So one thing I've been going over this morning is our video production and what our schedule is going to look like. Now, I'm not sure exactly how many videos I want to do per week. Definitely like at least one, but it would be great if we can go more than that. And I think I could do more than one video a week, especially since I'm really going to be focusing all my time outside of the work that I'm doing for my clients on making YouTube content, like educational content to, bring awareness to what it is that we do, right? So, I mean, we'll probably start with at least one next week and see how many videos we can get in the bank over the next couple weeks. But yeah, we should be able to start with definitely one a week for sure, hopefully starting next week. So I've just been going over the list. We were working, maybe a couple months ago, making this kind of list of all the different videos that we could possibly make. And I think the one that I was working on, this is a bigger one, as a tutorial, but how to use Piixel Pieces to build a website fast. That's where I'm taking a sample homepage of like a Figma sketch and turning that into a full-blown Webflow project or website using Piixel Pieces. So it's just kind of showcasing how you can use Piixel Pieces to copy a bunch of different components, update the style guide very, very quickly, and then develop your final project from Figma into Webflow. So that's in the works right now. And I think a couple, thinking about the target audience, and the target audience, if we remember correctly from what we were talking about before, our avatar is somebody with very little, like they're new, like 0 to 2 years experience in web design. They want to learn how to be a better designer, better developer. They want to build websites for themselves or for clients so that they can figure out how they can, well, obviously they're building for themselves. It's kind of for their own business. But if they want to do it for other people so that they can make money, they want to learn, how they can make more money or as much money as they can given their skill set with web design. And those are the videos we're going to try to focus on. Videos that are going to help those types of people. So basically it's like making videos for my younger self when I was first figuring out how I could make a living in a career as a web designer. And here I am 20 years later, still working on web design stuff, right? So hopefully I can transfer some of my knowledge and it'll be helpful to you guys. So that being said, I think one of the first few videos I think that would be really good to make is starting to write this one, why WEBFLOW works for my web design agency. I think that's a pretty good one to work on. And I do need to make this introduction to Piixel Pieces. I want to have it so when you go to Piixel Pieces and you go to learn, like right now, there's nothing here. So I want this to be like a place where there's going to be a bunch of different video series. So initially though, at least for now, we should have a quick 1-minute intro video for me, just having a quick talking head to just explain what Piixel Pieces is, give the super, super high level of, hey, copy paste, away you go kind of thing. And yeah, just an intro as to, why we exist and what the purpose is of Piixel and where we want to go, all that fun stuff. So we'll produce that one. That one shouldn't take too long. Another one I thought would be really good about WEBFLOW variables, because that's something that's still kind of new. I think some people are still having some issues with kind of how to best set those things up the most effectively. So that's a good one. And yeah, so I've just been going through this list to kind of see what makes the most sense. And I mean, I like the videos if I could do kind of comparisons of my thoughts on WEBFLOW, especially given that a lot of my early career when I was making websites for people, I was in WEBFLOW, or WordPress, I should say, and then I switched to WEBFLOW. So this one right here, why I switched from WordPress to WEBFLOW, and even just getting started with WEBFLOW, I think these ones are actually really good. So I think I'm going to move these ones to, these are ideas. So let's move them into pre-production, and we're going to start production status. No, yeah, we want to move these. Oh no, that's getting started with WEBFLOW. We're going to move these into pre-production so we can start putting together the outlines for these videos and thinking of how we kind of want them to flow. So yeah, I think those ones will be really, really good. Right. Yeah, so those are some good videos. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These ones would be your more standard, like 2 to 10 minute YouTube videos. This tutorial one is going to be a little bit bigger. This one might be almost, yeah, I don't even know if we should do it in real time, where it's like, hey, I'm going to take this from 0 to 100 in like 1 hour kind of thing, or 30 minutes, whatever the case may be. So I'm still not sure exactly how that one's going to be edited, but this one's going to be a longer one. So this one's a little bit of a different type of video. Yeah, but we're going to get started writing all the scripts and outlines for all of these. And we need to think about too, number one, writing the scripts, writing the content and producing the videos. And then we can also use the scripts to create blog posts that will accompany these videos, because if we look at Piixel, I think there should be, I'm pretty sure I have a blog. Oh, no, I don't. Right, the blog is actually off of Piixel. So that's actually something to think about, how, yeah, these are on different websites, eh? We'll have to think about how we want to do that. Oh no, it's going to be okay, because everything's going to be off of this. Yeah, right. Everything is going to go off of this Piixel, because Piixel is the main company. Piixel and like Piixel Pieces is just like a product of our main agency, which is all about, helping our clients with WEBFLOW and web design in general. It happens to be right now that every client that I have, I'm using WEBFLOW, but there could be instances where I do work with clients that aren't with Webflow. For example, if I'm doing creative services or doing video production and stuff like that too. So we'll make sure to do that as well, which is really good. Oh, and there's another thing too. I'm not sure what to do and how to promote this, but this is definitely going to be a big thing. Is if I can log out here and go to, after I log out, this should not kick you to here. This should kick you to home. Interesting. I gotta figure out what's going on there. This affiliate program. So to get people to come in and market Piixel Pieces, how can we do that? I know what we can do is maybe make some creatives, which would be kind of nice. So as an example, we have, where was Piixel? Right here. We have this thing here, which is a banner that takes you to Piixel Pieces. So, but if we create something like this and then have it so that people can use that to post on their blogs or whatever as creatives, I think that would be really cool. So, yeah, I'll think about that. And yeah, there could be something that we can do almost at the end of every video to say like, hey, if you'd like to earn 50% commission, blah, 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 you earn $125 per successful referral. Yeah. That'd be kind of cool. Okay. So yeah, let me go actually just real quick while I'm there. Whoops. eBay. I want to go to WEBFLOW. Let's go to, I think we need to go to Piixel, our main site. And I'm just going to go onto the blog section here. Just to see this thing. Yeah, because this is text. Right. Access. I'm just going to go 400 plus professional Webflow components, because now that's what we have. We have 407, I think is what it is. And I have about a dozen or so, maybe not that much, but I made some more layout components over the weekend. So I just have to finish those ones up as well too. And I'm just going to be continually making new components. So we're always going to be updating our component library. And I don't know what the goal is, what I should have for the end of the year. Maybe like, I think I talked about this before, like between 750 to 1,000 components. That's what I think I would like to have. And I think I actually did put that here in the frequently asked questions. How often is your library updated? Oh, how many components? Yeah, 700 by the end of 2024 and over 2,000 components by the end of next year. That's kind of what we're aiming for. Totally doable for sure. Yeah, I think the affiliate market is going to be something that can really help us. So we're going to have to see about how we can promote our affiliate program. I wonder if you can use, what is that? It's not, is it called ClickFunnels? Or like an affiliate, like let's say how to promote your affiliate program. So I thought there's a site that lists like all the different like affiliate programs that are out there. Build a well-designed affiliate program page. Okay, sure. Include the program in other places on your website. Mention it in email marketing, which I totally forgot to do. Promote on social media channels. Yeah, no problem. Use strategic SEO. Oh, that's interesting. Right, we could do better SEO on the actual affiliate page. So, but this is what I was thinking, like paid ads. That would be kind of interesting. Join affiliate forums and group. Effective affiliorama. This is interesting. Let's see what. Find dedicated affiliates. That's actually employ direct outreach. That's interesting. Finding people that that do affiliate marketing. That would be interesting. Have you formed a channel partnership? I don't think so. List your that's it. Affiliate directories. Because affiliate networks comes at a cost, right? So let's just take a look at these ones. Okay. So what is this, a forum? Right, this is like a forum. Affiliate hangout. Website building. So which forum has the most posts? Say like affiliate programs. Okay. So yeah, ClickBank. I think that's what I remember. ClickBank. Start making sales. Oh, so yeah, this is where you could find affiliates. But I think if I was as an affiliate, like, I don't know what the difference is. Not a person who sells affiliates products, but a person like a seller, I guess. I don't know what the difference is. Or no, I'm an affiliate and the other person's a seller. I think I would have to pay these guys a certain commission. I think that's how it works. Getting started on ClickBank. What does it say? Clipping is choosing your first product. Yeah, so no, I don't want to. Yeah, I guess I want to be a seller. Oh, I don't know. There's going to be lots of reading to kind of figure this out. That can't be reached. Okay, that's not good. Get your own affiliate directory just like this. So let's go to web. Shopify affiliate program, sure. Strong VPN. Now recruiting affiliates, huge 50% WordPress authority robot. So if I could just click on this, whoops. I mean, I think that's an affiliate link on its own, and the link's already not even open. Like what luck? Site can't be reached. Okay, this site looks pretty old. Lots of messages in here. Introductions. Okay, let's just see. Hi, everyone. So Wednesday at 8. So not too long ago. Affiliate marketing for users, not much success. Use this form as your mentor. So I think something like this is where, I could log into some forums or I could join some forums as a person that has an affiliate program and saying like, hey, listen, I'm just looking for some advice and some help, and just try to engage in the forums and be as helpful as possible. I think that's the big thing with forums is you want to go there and be legit and be like, hey, I'm looking for help, and and try to communicate, try to bring value to people that are posting on forums. So, yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, I give it a try. It's not going to hurt anything, right? Right. What about these ones? These ones have lots of views, but not very much replies. This looks like it's just somebody spamming for ad. Spamming their own ads. Oh, look how old this is too. There's not much activity actually now that I'm looking at this. So this looks really old. All right, well, we'll do some more searching and some more digging around, seeing what we can find. But again, yeah, I think we're going to focus obviously on creating content, YouTube content, and creating our videos. And then as we go, I think even in the videos, we'll put in, hey, we have an affiliate program, earn 50% commission. I don't know. We'll have to figure out what we can do with our videos to just make sure that there's a decent call to action. Not even a call to action, but just a notice of like, hey, this is who we are and this is what we do. And these are all the things. So maybe that's going to be like a quick little 5-second call at the end of a video. I'm not sure. We'll have to figure that out anyways and to see where it goes. Okay, so scripts. We're going to start writing some scripts for videos. I'm going to start probably tonight, and then we'll get on that again tomorrow. We'll see where we're at and write as many scripts as we can for videos. And we're going to have to see how we're going to film them. I don't know if it makes sense to film them while like we're even live here, do a little bit of filming on the live stream and then cutting them up in Resolve or whatever and creating them. I don't know. We'll figure out what makes the most sense to do here in a live stream. But I don't know. Either way, it's going to be fun. So looking forward to it. All right. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and dropping by. Much appreciated. That's it for me today. So yeah, tomorrow, writing video scripts and just pushing forward on all of our marketing endeavors and getting Piixel Pieces known and getting those first few sales. Looking forward to that one. So it's going to be exciting. All right. That's it for me. Thank you so much for joining and tuning in. Much appreciated. And as always, I'll be back here again tomorrow for a brand new live stream. All right, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.